welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to personalize some rings. This is from one of the sets that I got from BeeBeeCraft a little while ago. These are silver rings and they have an oval space where you can just personalize any ways you want it. Now what I've been thinking that I want to do with this, and this is what I've been practicing, is actually using all of my nail art materials to make personalized rings. So that way when I want to take pictures or when I want to make videos of my nails, I can match them with my rings. Isn't that cool? So I'll show you a couple of the stuff that I've already made. I actually just used glitter and craft glue, and I made this really nice iridescent kind of style ring. I really like it, it's really cute. Now if you have any type of chrome powders, you can actually also use those inside of the rings. As long as you put gel polish as your base, you are able to use chrome powders. This is another example of me using chrome powders. I actually use the chrome powder on the outside of the ring, and that makes it look gold rose as well, which is a nice change. Just in case you want to have the ring in another color, you can do that as well. So for this project, all the materials you'll need is the base for the rings, the oval crystal that will go on top of the ring, clear craft glue, and any kind of powders, glitter, gel colors, or anything that you would like to put inside of the ring. With everything already prepared, let's get started. Okay, so for my first ring, the idea that I have is that I want to make a red ring. And what I want to make is I want to make the center just gel color, and I actually want to make the outside of the ring chrome red. So let's try that. To start off, I'm gonna start with a base coat for gel polish. And I do recommend doing this because it helps the gel polish to stick better to the metal base. So after you apply your base coat, I will recommend just let it sit for a couple of seconds so it can self-level, and then you go ahead and cure it. After the base coat is cured, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab gel polish and I'm gonna go over it exactly where I want the color to be at. With gel polish, I have found that it tends to stick to the sides, so what I've used is a small brush like this one to help the polish self-level so it can get everywhere in the base of the ring. So after you have your first coat of gel polish, go ahead and cure it. Now that your first coat is dry, you can go ahead and apply a second coat. Once you've applied your second layer, go ahead and cure again. I'll just go ahead and put the crafting glue on top, and then just put the crystal as well so it covers the red part. Alright, now that my ring is dry, the last thing that I actually want to do is I want to make this part of the ring red as well. But to do so, I'm not going to use gel polish, I actually want to use chrome powder. So I have my chrome powder right here. As you can see, it's also red. I'm going to apply gel top coat to the outside area of the ring. I'm gonna half cure it, I'm gonna apply the chrome powder and top coat it again. is the final result for this specific design. So I'll make a couple of more designs so you can see what else you can achieve with these rings. I do want to say a huge thank you to BeeBeeCraft for sending this to me through the YouTube program. If you go to their website, which is linked below, you can see it right there. Click on it and it shows the information. You can get free products just by doing videos for them. You only need to have at least 100 subscribers. You can fill the application online and submit for them to review. If you're interested, click the link on the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!